I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your assets and a precise goal. Upload the RAW or high-res JPEG, tell Chatgpt the target size and final use, and state the exact problem, color, exposure, or composition. Ask for a step-by-step editing plan and an export checklist. Once done, request specific parameter values, exposure plus 0. 5. White balance 5500K, highlight minus 20%, so you can apply them directly in your editor. This gets you actionable edits. You now perform the middle work guided by ChatGPT's plan. Apply global exposure, contrast, and color corrections first, then move to local adjustments like dodging, burning, and selective HSL. Make sure to ask ChatGPT for tool-specific commands, exact slider values for Lightroom or precise layer masks, and blend modes for Photoshop, so you don't guess. Once the edits are applied, ask for cleanup steps, clone stamp sizes, healing tolerance, and sharpening radius to preserve detail while avoiding artifacts. You finish by exporting with the exact settings ChatGPT recommended: file type, quality percentage, and color profile. Then inspect the result at 100% to confirm sharpness and noise. Make sure to compare before and after and review histograms for clipping. If something looks off, tell ChatGPT what you see and include a screenshot or describe artifacts. It will give targeted fixes like reducing sharpening, adjusting denoise, or redoing a mask. This closes the loop and ensures a polished final image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.